Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Master of Guns. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step disassembly process of the Sig Sauer P320. Make it easy for you to maintain and explore the mechanics of this popular firearm. Disassembly. First, remove the magazine. Secondly, check the chamber is empty. Thirdly, retract the slide to the stock and lock open by engaging the slide catch lever. Then rotate the takedown lever clockwise, remove the slide, then remove the recoil spring and the barrel, and last, remove the takedown lever and the receiver.